Best survival gadgets on Amazon. Whether you are living the off-grid lifestyle, training for extreme scenarios, or just enjoying your weekly camping and hiking trips, it is crucial to be prepared for any given situation. Millions of people in the US and around the globe visit national parks and go on hikes, but many of them get lost, seriously injured, or even worse. You need the absolute best survival gadgets if you wish to live and see another day. PowerPlus Barracuda LED Solar Wind-Up Torch. A wind-up torch is an essential survival gadget whether you're looking to survive in a dangerous disaster situation or survive a night by yourself in a cozy tent. When you're looking for what to buy, though, you need to look at the details. How much effort goes into charging it, and how much will you get out of that charge? The bad boy above ticks all of the boxes when it comes to those charges. 1 minute of hand cranking gives you an hour of light with all 3 LEDs, or 80 minutes with just 110 minutes of flashing, and better yet, it's rainproof and windproofs up to an impressive 45 feet. Bear Grylls Ultimate Survival Kit. Okay, so this one is kind of cheating. It's not so much one survival gadget as several survival gadgets. But it all comes in a owner, so we're claiming it. You never know quite what you're going to get into when you're out camping. So particularly for those who are new to outdoor exploration, this Bear Grylls survival kit is ideal. The 15-piece kit has tools ranging from fire starters to survival blankets, to sewing kits and snare wires, as well as instructions on how to signal for attention if it all goes wrong. We took the standard keychain multi-tool and made it better. In addition to stainless steel pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flathead screwdriver, crosshead driver, tweezers and file, the dime includes a unique blade designed to safely cut and score plastic packaging and a bottle opener that is exposed even when the tool is closed. Hydra Pack Collapsible Bottle. This one isn't a life-saving gadget in itself, but everyone knows that a water bottle is an essential piece of survival gear, and this is one way to make it that much easier to carry. While water packs can be punctured easily and can be a pain to refill, the Hydra Pack Stash Collapsible Bottle is super durable and comes in sized of up to 1L. It'd be ideal to carry it in your backpack, just in case something does go wrong with an original water bottle and you left without a source able to carry water. Flexible bottles get an upgrade. The Flux is shaped like a hard bottle, compresses like a soft flask, and cuts weight by 60%. Finish your drink, and this bottle collapses and packs down to earn its space in your pack. Swedish Army Fire Steel. So, you're stranded alone, you're wet, you're hungry, and your energy is slowly evaporating. What do you need to do? You need to get help, but in the meantime, you need to build a fire. No matter what the weather, this Swedish Army Fire Steel will help you do just that, instantly creating a spark at 3000 degrees Celsius, which makes making that fire that much easier. For the amount this costs, it's almost a crime to go up the hills without one. The thing lasts for 12,000 strikes, is approved by the International Survival Instructors Association, and let's face it, is just pure genius. A must-have for any adventurer. BioLite Camp Stove. It's often said that if you're in a survival situation with a phone that has a signal, you're not really in a survival situation at all. Being able to directly call for help eliminates a whole host of potential scenarios that could result in serious damage to a hiker or camper in trouble. So having a charge in your phone can be imperative. That's where the BioLite Camp Stove comes in. Not only is it a camping stove, but it is also a charger, generating power from burning biomass. You would have to burn hours of fuel to get the stove to fully charge your phone, but in times of need, it could provide that extra spark needed to let you make that pivotal call. A genius survival gadget indeed. Lightweight aluminum legs fold up for nested portability and durability for camping, backpacking, or power outages. Zippo Hand Warmer. Know that time your mate who doesn't even smoke bought a Zippo just because he thought it looked cool? Well, he was right. It does look cool, and now you can own one too, for a function that's actually worthwhile. This Zippo hand warming gives off 10 times more heat than a disposable hand warmer, is reusable, doesn't have a flame, and works for up to 12 hours with just one fill. Oh, and you'll look like an absolute boss if you learn how to flick it on properly. Slide this into your pocket and enjoy the outdoors even when it's cold. Zippo's high polish chrome hand warmer has a high polish finish and thin design that easily fit into pockets. It's virtually odorless and stays warm for up to 12 hours. Leatherman One-Hand Tool. The Leatherman One-Hand Tool, OHT, is a robust and innovative multi-tool designed for those who require efficiency and ease of use in demanding situations. One of its standout features is its true one-handed operation, allowing users to deploy all the tools with just one hand, which is particularly beneficial for professionals like military personnel, first responders, and outdoor enthusiasts who often need to use tools while keeping one hand free. The OHT includes a comprehensive array of tools, such as spring-action pliers, wire cutters, a knife, various screwdrivers, a saw, and a strap cutter, all crafted from high-quality stainless steel to ensure durability and longevity. Its ergonomic design, combined with a durable, textured handle, provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. GoTime Gear Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter. The GoTime Gear Life Tent. Emergency Survival Shelter is a compact and highly effective shelter designed to provide emergency protection in survival situations. This ultra-lightweight tent is made from durable, weather-resistant polyethylene material that reflects 90% of your body heat back to you, helping to prevent hypothermia in extreme conditions. The Life Tent can be quickly and easily set up using the included 20-foot paracord, which serves as a ridgeline to support the tent. Its bright orange color ensures high visibility, which can be crucial for rescue situations, making it easier for search and rescue teams to locate you. The GoTime Gear Life Tent is designed for portability and ease of use, folding down into a small, waterproof stuff sack that can easily fit into a backpack, glove box, or emergency kit. Odaland Camping Stove Kit. The Odaland Camping Stove Kit is a comprehensive and portable cooking solution ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy camping, hiking, or backpacking. This kit includes a compact, lightweight stove that runs on propane or butane, delivering efficient and consistent heat for cooking meals in the wilderness. The stove features a piezo ignition system, allowing for easy and reliable startup without the need for matches or lighters. Additionally, the kit includes a set of cookware made from durable, non-stick anodized aluminum, comprising a pot, frying pan, and kettle, along with folding utensils and a cleaning sponge. These components nest together compactly, fitting neatly into the included carry bag for easy transport. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is a revolutionary and essential tool for outdoor adventurers, travelers, and emergency preparedness. This portable filter allows users to drink safely from virtually any water source, transforming contaminated water into safe, potable water by removing 99.99999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites. The LifeStraw uses advanced hollow fiber membrane technology to filter up to 1,000 gallons, 4,000 liters, of water without the need for iodine, chlorine, or other chemicals. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.